Welcome to the Crypto Genius channel, your go-to source for all things crypto. If you're looking to stay ahead in the crypto world, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. I bet you didn't know you could earn free crypto in 2025. Yes, you heard that right. Free crypto. Why not earn it for free instead? Yes, you heard that right. Imagine getting your hands on some crypto without spending a dime. Let's dive into the top 5 legit ways to earn free crypto in 2025. First up, crypto airdrops. These are essentially free tokens given away by companies to promote their new projects. Companies often give away free tokens to promote their new projects and build a user base. It's a win-win situation for both the company and the user. For instance, Uniswap and 1inch have rewarded users with airdrops in the past. These airdrops can sometimes be worth hundreds or even thousands of dollars. All you need to do is find these opportunities online and sign up. But remember, always be cautious of scams, always verify the source to stay safe. Next, we have faucets. These are websites that reward you with small amounts of crypto for completing simple tasks like clicking links or watching ads. Faucets are a great way to earn small amounts of crypto without any investment. They might not make you rich overnight, but every little bit helps. Some popular faucets include freebitco.in and Cointiply. These platforms have been around for a while and are trusted by many in the crypto community. Keep in mind, the earnings are usually small, so patience and consistency are key. Over time, these small amounts can add up to something significant. Third on the list, play to earn games. Believe it or not, you can actually earn crypto by playing video games. It's both fun and profitable. Games like Axie Infinity and Splinterlands are leading the way in this space. These games have created entire economies where players can earn real money. But remember, some games might require an initial investment to get started. Always do your research before diving in. Fourth, staking rewards. Some platforms reward you with free crypto just for holding certain coins in your wallet. It's as easy as it sounds. For example, staking Ethereum on platforms like Binance or Coinbase can yield good returns. The more you stake, the more you earn. But be aware of lockup periods and potential risks involved. Make sure you understand the terms before committing your funds. Finally, learn and earn programs. Apps like Crypto Genius offer free crypto for completing short educational courses. It's a win-win. So you get to learn and earn at the same time. These programs are a great way to expand your knowledge while earning some extra crypto. But always double-check the legitimacy of these programs to avoid any pitfalls. Not all programs are created equal. And there you have it. 5 legit ways to earn free crypto in 2025. No investment needed. Happy earning, friends. Remember, always do your research and stay safe in the crypto world. The opportunities are endless, but so are the risks. Stay informed and happy earning. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on earning free crypto.